Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to fix your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 USB transmitter if it's not working. Connecting or just seems totally unresponsive? Don't worry. This guide will walk you through a few simple steps to get everything back on track. The first thing you want to do is unplug the USB transmitter from whatever device you're using, whether that's your PC, Xbox, or PlayStation. Sometimes a port just isn't delivering the right power or it's acting up, so try plugging the transmitter into a different USB port. Switching ports can often solve the issue immediately. Once that's done, turn on your Stealth 600 headset. Give it about a minute to see if it reconnects. The headset and transmitter are designed to auto pair, so you don't have to press any buttons. Just give it a moment. While you wait, make sure your mic is flipped down and not muted, because sometimes that can help with the connection as well. Here's what you're looking for. The light on your headset should go solid, not blink. That's a good sign it's paired correctly. The USB transmitter should also show a solid light. If both lights are solid, your headset is connected and working properly. If it's still not working after trying these steps, the problem could be a bit deeper, maybe firmware related or even hardware damage. At that point, the best move is to contact Turtle Beach support for advanced troubleshooting, and if your headset is still under warranty, you might even be eligible for a replacement. And that's it. Most of the time, switching USB ports and waiting for the auto pair is all you need to get your Stealth 600 back in action. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Happy tech using.